Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recover your Neopets account. So you have a Neopets account, there you have a lot of virtual pets for yourself, but somehow you've forgotten or lost the password to that account and you can't access that account anymore, and you want to figure out how you can recover that account. You've clicked on the right video. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps to make life easy for you to recover your Neopets account. So the first thing you want to do in order to recover your Neopets account is open a browser and go to neopets.com. Once you go to neopets.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Here on the top right corner, you'll see two options, one to log in and one to sign up. So to recover your Neopets account, what you want to do is choose the login option. Once you choose the login option, you'll land on the login interface of Neopets. Here you'll have to enter your credentials in order to log in your Neopets, but you don't have the password to your account. So what you want to do is click on forgot your password option. Once you tap on the forgot password option, Neopets will ask you to enter your username so that they can send a reset password link to your email address that you've used to create your Neopets account. So go ahead and enter your username. Once you enter your username, tap on the send button. Once you click on the send button, Neopets will send an email to your email address that you've used to create your Neopets account. So what you want to do now is go to that email. So once you get to your email, look for an email from Neopets. The email will be labeled as Neopets password reset. Open that email. Once you open that email, you'll see a password reset link attached to an email from Neopets. So click on that link. Once you click on that link, you'll be redirected to Neopets reset password page. Here you'll have the option to create a new password for your Neopets account. So to do that, first you need to enter your username, then create a new password for your Neopets account. Once you create and confirm a new password for your Neopets account, scroll down and click on this reset button. Once you click on the reset button, you'll successfully change the password to your Neopets account. Now you can use that new password to log into your Neopets account. That means you've successfully recovered your Neopets account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.